listening. Haven't heard anything so far. Zach's finally getting out of the truck. He's been trying to wake him up all morning, but we had a turkey on this morning. And yeah, we're about to see what we can get.
You heard anything?
See if we can get going. No, I ain't heard anything.
I've heard a bunch of birds.
I heard it.
I haven't heard a gobble, but I've heard a bunch of birds.
Yeah. I heard a jerk close the door. That was about it. But yeah, we're about to see what we can come up with. So y'all stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we heard a turkey somewhere around here this morning. Didn't talk too much, but he gobbled pretty early. We're gonna try to have him. Maybe try to strike him up. I'm not exactly sure where he's at. But it seems like in these foggy mornings, these birds are a lot more associated with the bottoms, because they kind of lower on these hills and stuff. So we might just try to walk down the bottom, or up, just uphill from the bottom, and try to, hopefully we can strike him up or something, so we can get a better idea where he's at. It'll get set up on him, and we can get it going. Like, he's kind of almost uphill from us, or she. Just returns.
She's walking straight toward us. There's two of them.
Ran away.
There's another one sitting there right there looking at us.
What is it?
And there's still another one. There you go.
Oh, yeah. That last one's a bug. That last one's a bug. That last one was a bug.
I can see it somewhere.
I 100% saw its antlers. Where's he at? Dang it. There's no way to know that he was there, but if we would have just sat him on that corner, he would have come right to us. So, alright guys, when we were walking, I don't know how much of that you saw, but we ended up spooking a turkey that looked like a long beard. He was alone, but he's not spooked too bad. He just sort of ran the other way, caught a glimpse of us and turned. So we're gonna sit down, we made a circle around him, got uphill and beyond where we spooked him, and we're gonna set up in his food plot. We got a decoy out. We're gonna give it at least 20 minutes and then start calling. One tip, if you do this, do not use the same call that you just used. We had actually, we're pretty sure he was coming to us, and we ended up spooking him because we had called twice or 3 times just trying to strike one up. And
He didn't go.
he didn't gobble, but we got topped the hill and there he was. So hopefully we can get him. Y'all stay tuned.
What? God almighty. Guys, I wasn't recording. That scared the heck out of me, for lack of a better term.
That thing tried to eat that. Are you recording?
I'm recording right now, yeah. Holy crap. Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay now.
I guess we're not hunting the turkey no more.
You about just gave me a freaking heart attack.
I'm sorry. I should have said something, but he was like right there.
Did he die right there?
Huh?
I can't, I don't even see, I don't even know where you shot.
He's right next to my decoy.
I was like about to fall asleep.
That turkey's real screwed up now.
This is about to eat your decoy?
Yeah, he was running towards the decoy and he got behind some stuff and I moved my gun to him and he stared right at me about we didn't even have time to react, did you?
That's about the most scared I've ever been at one sitting. Here, take this for a second. Let me get my heart back together.
I'm sorry, Cade.
I mean, I'm glad you did it.
Me personally, I can't let a coyote just live if he's that close to me. That's the most expensive coyote I've ever shot.
Yeah.
I've shot a fox that was more expensive. Guys, this thing literally, I made a couple calls and this thing was running towards the decoy. And I'm a believer in TSS because he died immediately. Look at that.
Knock him out, dude.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this coyote, guys. Here, kid.
He's not a very big one, but he's a dang turkey killer.
That is for sure. Look at there, guys. Let's just save some turkeys and some fawns. Maybe that'll bring us some good karma.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have a heart attack. He was headed straight to that decoy.
Dude, he was kind of low and running towards it, and he got right here, and I was swinging my gun about the time I saw him, and I clicked the safety off and he stared at me. Put that dot on him and let her sing.
That's insane. Well, let's go to the other side of the club and see if we can kill a turkey.
That's what I'm thinking. But just so you guys know, it's a very good feeling when you call in a predator because that means you are definitely good enough to call in a turkey.
Never hurts to take one of those off your line.
Yeah. I think I might try that trick you're doing with your turkey with his head.
That'd be cool. Alright, well, let's go.
I don't want
See
to
if we
carry
can.
this thing out.
Let's go see if we can go
Let's
find
go
a
find
turkey
another
again.
turkey somewhere. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty eventful. Sometimes that whole sneak attack works where you go, if you spook one and he's not spooked bad like that one today, you can go around kind of the direction he came, wait a little while. I think we waited almost 30 minutes before we started calling, and it was real light calling. So a lot of times that can work. I feel like I may have had that work in the past at one point, but I don't remember. But yeah, we got to see 3 deer and one we're pretty sure, well I know I saw antlers on one, so that was pretty cool. I finally got to see a turkey on land that I could hunt. And that's my first coyote. I don't know if I mentioned that, but that's the first one I've ever killed, and it was very good to me to prove that TSS, it puts in work, and my red dot was definitely on. So, what you think?
I think we are ready to come back more often.
I think I'm ready.
Get back, give that bird a couple days of rest, and then we'll try to see if we can get back on it.
I really want to kill one at some point. So hopefully we can get a turkey on the ground soon. Really appreciate y'all watching. If y'all enjoyed, click the like button, click the subscribe button, drop us a comment, let us know what you want to see, and we'll catch you next time.